Hello, quasi-random farmers. I wanted to get a little video of these little baby bun-buns. They are days old. I think they're like a whole week old, so like 7 days. But so these little baby bun-buns, as you can see, they're not as wild and hyperactive as the other older bunnies. And this is how kind of they start off. They just got their fur, but we're still keeping them in the building because it's a little bit cold on the cold side. So we're keeping them in here for a little bit longer. And also we're keeping them in here for a little bit longer because they haven't opened their eyes yet. And they're asleep right now. And if you can listen to them very, very closely, you can hear them snoring. And that little one, I think he's dreaming of nursing. But they don't have their eyes open yet. They still cannot see. So that's why we're keeping them in for a little bit longer. But they're just so cute. They are so precious. I wish that all the bunnies stayed like this, but obviously not. They turn into their older cousins, and they're just all over the place. But they are really, really cute. Oh, look at him. You see, like, even when they are moving, their eyes aren't fully open yet. And again, it's just because they can't see, so they rely a lot on touch and, like, their feeling, like, their texture sensations, and their smell. But yep, so this is the youngest of the bunch. And look at him. And they're all cuddled together because that's all they know. They just like warmth and milk. And so I look forward to following this little bunch because they were also unexpected. And that little white one right here reminds me of Bebo when she's sleeping. It's like moo 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 moo. But that is it for today. I just wanted to show you the little baby bunnies and give you an update on them. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time.